In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix importing and editing a Word file in Canva. If you've ever tried to bring a Word document into Canva and it didn't look quite right, or you weren't sure how to make changes once it was imported, this walkthrough will clear that up step by step. First, go ahead and open Canva in your browser and log into your account. On the Canva homepage, look for the main Create a Design or Custom Size button. But instead of starting a blank design, we're going to import your existing file. You should see an option like Import File or an Upload area, often on the left-hand panel. Click that. Then locate your Word document on your computer. Select the file and wait a few moments while Canva uploads and processes it. Once the import is done, Canva will automatically generate a design from your Word document. Click on the new design to open it. You'll see that each page of your Word document has been translated into a Canva page. Take a moment to scroll through and check how everything looks. Sometimes the font, spacing, or alignment might shift a little during the conversion. Now, let's talk about editing the text. Click directly on any text on the page. A text box will appear with a blinking cursor, and you can start typing to fix any wording, spelling, or formatting issues. Use the toolbar at the top to change the font style, size, color, alignment, and spacing. If your Word document used a font that Canva doesn't recognize, it will substitute it. So it's a good idea to pick a Canva font that looks close to your original. If elements seem out of place, you can click and drag any text box, image, or shape to reposition it. Use the alignment guides that appear to keep everything neat and centered. To adjust spacing between lines or paragraphs, select the text and open the spacing options in the top toolbar. If a section of your Word file came in as an image instead of editable text, you won't be able to type directly on it. In that case, delete the image, insert a new text box, and manually paste or type the text you need. This extra step makes sure everything stays fully editable in Canva. When you're happy with your edits, click the Share or Download button in the top right. Choose your preferred format, such as PDF or PNG, and download your updated document. That's all you need to successfully import and edit a Word file in Canva.